Welcome to Advocate Bapu Sahib Bonde High School, Lonavala. Standard 1, Subject English 2, Representing Teacher Mrs. Ashwini Satpute. And I am back with another learning video. How are you all doing? Hope you are watching all the videos regularly and repeatedly for better understanding. To start with, I would like you to see this beautiful picture on your screen. Are they pretty? Yes, they are. And if you look at them carefully, every picture is trying to say something. And you know what I feel? I feel they are asking us to write about them. What do you say? Yes. So let us get going. In this video, today we are going to learn how to write a picture composition. But before we move ahead, let us first know what a picture composition is. A picture composition is the description of a picture. That is, we are going to write a paragraph about what all we can see in the given picture. In short, a picture composition involves observing the picture very carefully and then writing sentences about the given picture. Always remember, these sentences have to be meaningful and always in the form of a paragraph. Now children, let us see the steps to write a picture composition. First of all, carefully observe the picture. Observe the things or actions we can see. Note down your observation in logical order. Then imagine the scene and try to frame sentences. After that, select a suitable title for the picture. And lastly, write the title at the top of the paragraph as a heading. Pictures are always fascinating, and every picture has something interesting to tell us about itself. So now, let us pick up one picture here and see what it is trying to tell us. So here we go. Wow, what a beautiful scene! Let us now see what this particular picture is trying to tell us about itself. Let us first observe the picture very carefully and then let us note down what all we can see here. Yes, this is the scene of a beach. So, the theme of the picture here is the beach. Let us write down our observation in points first. First of all, we can see that there is a bright and colorful picture of a beach. And we can see a bright sunny day and some clouds floating in the sky. We can see some children. How many children can you see? Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 children in the picture. Out of them, 6 are boys and 3 are girls. We can see also boats, floating rings and coconut trees. And we can also see a children had made small sand castle. Now children, can you see a crab and dolphin? Yes, we can see dolphin in the water and crab is lying on the sand. Now children, let us find out few more things in the picture. We see beach chair with big umbrella, which is red and yellow color. Other than these, we can also see buckets, flag, shells, sleepers, snails, starfish, etc. lying on the sand. To start with, we have to give a suitable title to picture composition. And here I gave a suitable title for this picture composition, that is A Day at the Beach. A day at the beach. It is a beautiful sunny day at the beach, and the sun is shining brightly. The sky is clear with a few clouds here and there. Children are out there on the beach, enjoying themselves. There are 9 children in the picture. 6 of them are boys and 3 are girls. They all seem to be having a lot of fun. One boy is rowing a boat and the other one is floating on the floater. One boy and girl are playing with the ring. One boy and one girl are playing with sand on the beach, and they has made a beautiful sand castle. There are 4 coconut trees on the beach. We can see a beautiful dolphin jumping in and out of water. We can see crabs, starfishes, and also seashells, snails are lying on the beach. There is a comfortable seabed with an umbrella for relaxation. I think that all the children at the beach are having fun and lovely time. So children, I hope you understand how to write picture composition. Practice at home. Thank you for watching the video.